It was the peak of the summer season on the Little Western. Unfortunately, Oliver had to be taken in for repairs. So Donald and Douglas had to help out with the passengers as well as goods. Meanwhile, Henry was being fixed as well. While Henry is being repaired, could the two of you help out at Vickerstown, just at night time?
Aye, sir. Of course, sir.
But it was hard work, and the twins worked many sleepless nights. Meanwhile, Rosie was sent to a construction site. Hi, if you excuse me asking, but what are you guys?
I'm Jack, the front loader, and we're construction vehicles. Alfie and Oliver are excavators.
Oh wow, what about those other two?
Max is the dump truck.
Okay, and Kelly, he's a crane. Yes, we engines have those too.
Who are you?
What are you?
Byron, this is Rosie. She's a very inquisitive engine. And Rosie, this is Byron. He's a bulldozer. He pushes things.
Byron demonstrated for dramatic effect. It seems like it would be very useful. If only I had a bulldozer to help me out. Rosie was fascinated by the pack. She told Douglas all about it. And Isabella, she's a lorry, and Dougie? Then she realized Douglas was asleep. Oh dear, Douglas? Rosie and her crew tried everything to make Douglas wake up. By the time they realized Rosie would have to take the train, it was very late. No time to run back around. We'll have to push this one. It was dark now, and the way to Peel was along a treacherous bridge. Little did Rosie know that a landslide had occurred along the line. Finally, I think we're almost there. Just then, they hit a rock. Puff back, and now we'll ram it. The train roared through the mud. Everyone was okay, but Douglas had waken up.
You wouldn't believe it, Byron.
All right, tell me again.
I had fallen asleep in the yard, and when I woke up, I couldn't see a thing through all this mud. I was at Peel Gulch when they finally cleared it off.
I see you got your bulldozer, Rosie. Just next time, put more emphasis on the bull part than the dozer part.